The Amalgamated Rural Teachers Union, ART, used it strongly, condemned what it describes as widespread violence, intimidation, and exclusion during the ongoing public hearings on the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, calling on President Emmerson Mnangagwa to ensure an immediate end to the unrest. Sanapena mashoko ori kwanzi mutungamiri wenyika oshedzo achinzi aiwa zvinhu zvakuitwa neZANU-PF yavo iyi kuti vari kuuya vachiintimidata vachienda kuassaulta citizens. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team number Mchinze. In a press statement issued on 1 April 2026, Yarati UZ announced its total withdrawal and disengagement from the hearings, arguing that the process has been compromised by partisan interest. The Amalgamated Teachers Union strongly condemns the wave of violence, threats, intimidation, and systematic exclusion of dissenting voices that have characterized the ongoing public hearings, the union said. The teachers' body said its initial participation was driven by moral duty and civic responsibility, despite concerns over the legitimacy of the process. However, it now believes the hearings have been reduced to violent platforms that no longer reflect the will of the people. ART user describes the consultation process as deeply flawed, saying what was constitutionally intended to be a democratic platform for citizens to freely express their views is intended degenerated into a theater of coercion, fear, repression, ruling party rallies, violence, and intimidation. The union emphasized the need of a transparent and inclusive process, stating, "We believe in a transparent process where citizens can freely express themselves without fear, coercion, or manipulation." Citing recent events, RIT user pointed to the alleged assault of human rights lawyer Douglas Coates at a public hearing in Harare, where he was attacked and had personal belongings damaged while living what the union described as a hostile environment. Ndoma developments ari kuda panguva ino. Pana comment section medu zvafundwa imi muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.